Hey Daniel, it's Josh Betzel. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that video I was telling you about that'll show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably sitting there wondering, why is Josh making this video? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hand saying, hey, I like what you do, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to talk about is content. So content is not just the amount of words on your page, but what words you're using. So when I go to amount, I go to this wordcounter.net and I plugged in your homepage word counter for Jacksonville and it's 188 words. You really want 1,500 to 2,000 words to be optimized with Google, and this is why. Google sends out robots, and these robots, they look and crawl for keywords in the content. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? Well, when I go over here to your website, I use this little tool called Keywords Everywhere, and it shows you what words you're ranking for. Lumber Liquidators, Jacksonville, ranked number 1, 50 searches a month. Lumber Liquidators, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 2, 320. Liquidation stores in Jacksonville, Florida, ranked 14, 170, and so on. You don't really have that many keywords that are completely tailored to Jacksonville on this page, and that's quite important, and I'll show you why. So I'm going to go up to your competition, which is Mike Neckel Flooring, I believe it's pronounced. And Mike is your competition because when we go over to the first page of Google of flooring companies in Jacksonville, Florida, they are ranked number 1 organically, therefore your competition. When I went to their word counter, they only had 154, but this is where they're differing on their homepage and back pages is what words they're ranking for. Flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 5, 110 searches. Flooring contractors, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 8, 90. Flooring installers, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked 15, 140, and so on. So as you can see here, their keywords are way more tailored towards their location of services, and all these volume are people searching for services in that area and are looking for work, okay? So automatically these people could be referred to Mike's page just because he's ranked number 1 organically. The second thing I want to talk about was just how this main page of Google is set up. So of course you have the search bar and then you have the ads. Ads are good, okay, but studies show that they're only semi-effective and can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. And then you come over here to your GMB, Google My Business, Google Map Pack. And this is the second thing I want to talk to you about, which comes to citations. Citations is how you get ranked on this Google Map Pack. So when I did some searching for yours, you were on the first page, which is pretty good, all right? But we don't want to just be on the first page. We want to be in the top 3. So when people are searching for flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, you're right up here organically, all right? So you really want to have 200 to 300 citations if you want to beat your competition out by a landslide, and you really want to optimize your GMB, okay? You want to add that description in. 750 characters is the limit I believe Google gives you, and you really want to initiate those keywords into that description, okay? Now the third thing I want to talk to you was link juice, okay? Backlinks, referring domains. And so I come over to this site called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day, and it runs you about $170 a month, all right? What it shows you is your referring domains, backlinks, domain rating, and honestly, it also gives you organic keywords over here, just like that Keywords Everywhere tool is. Let me backtrack just for 1 second. This is a local citation finder, and it came up with 18. So you have 18 citation sources to go back to your GMB, all right? But back to Ahrefs. You need more referring domains and backlinks linking back to you, okay? And this is how it works. Link juice, that's what we call it. It basically works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a, let's say LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you. Because, hey, let's be honest, you don't sling pizzas for a living, you sling floor installations. All right? So when I come up to your competition's Ahrefs, they have 37 referring domains and 190 backlinks. Even though they have more than you, they really don't have the healthiest of the blog posts, citations, influence links, and guest posts enough to give that drive. All right, so this is a very beatable website on the organic page. All right, so I just want to close this up and go back over the three things we talked about, which the first one was content. You want more content, and I understand that might be a national site. So on your Jacksonville referring page, you need to be initiating all those things that we talked about on this website, okay? 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page, so Google robots crawl and look for those keywords, initiate those keywords into them. When it goes to the citations on the Google Map Pack, you need 200 to 300 of these to beat your competition out by a landslide. Also add a way better description than this, okay? And the third was the link juice from Ahrefs, all right? You need more relevant sites linking at you to show Google you are the authority, all right? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.